Hi fellow seekers! There's a lot of time that I wanted to do a giveaway, a stone giveaway for you, and Monsoon Magic made a video last a few days ago about a giveaway, and the point was doing something kind to other people. So I said to myself, hey, what a good idea. I'll do my giveaway, and you fellow seekers have been so kind to me that I feel it's the best moment to do it. So just don't trick away, they're just little stones that come from my home. This year I decided to give a lot of stones that are at my home because I have hundreds of them, and some that I don't use anymore and that don't want to be with me anymore. So I take them and I give them. So I said, hey, I will make little packets for my fellow seekers. So I don't have enough ideas and stones to do 30 little pockets of stones, but I did 5, and I described it to you, showing you the stones. And if you want one, just say it to me. And if you are many to want the same, I'll just write your names on little paper. And, oh, this one has won the prize, yeah. So the first one is about self-love, yes. And for each one you have the names and the virtues. I don't know if you can read the virtues of the stones, but just to show you, you have orange moonstone, American, Mexican, turquoise, and it seems to me rhodochrosite and kunzite and rose quartz and cornaline, and they are all to heal your emotions and finding peace with yourself and with others, just healing what keeps you away from self-love. That's it. And the other one is about finding happiness and joy. And so all stones for protecting your happiness, giving light and strength, and just finding the light source in you. So you have cornaline, another one, and you have pirate. I don't know if I say it as I should. It's a stone with iron and sulfur. When you take it on a blade, you have a spark. It's the stone they used in prehistoric times to make fire, and it's really good for our inner fire. And you have citrine for joy, and tiger eye for protection, and clear quartz for the light from the spirit. And we have rose quartz because some emotional wounds can destroy our happiness. So this one. And the next one is about aligning with the moon. Yes, because I know that a lot of you love the moon and its cycle. So if I begin with the darkest, it is Apache Tears, Obsidian, and it's a good stone to see within you, and it's for the dark moon. And you have also Falcon Eye. This is Blue Tiger Eye, and it's an guardian angel, like the you upper you that knows everything. And you have Moonstone. Real moonstones, more of the stone resellers sell white labradorite for moonstone. This is real moonstone. And Chalcedony for inner peace. Oh, where have you gone? There. And amethyst, I love this one. You have white and purple laces for just, the time when the moon is half dark and half white. And we have clear jade. It's about being honest, always being honest and truth with ourselves, and with what we find in us. And I hope you will see it clearly, more clearly than I see it in my cam. And the next one is walking the spiritual path. And it's all stones when you face difficult things. It's Mokite, Jasper. I love this one. I've worked a lot with her, but she don't love me anymore. It's for when you're struggling, to facing new things, new thoughts, when you have fear, it helps a lot. And Amazonite, it's for not having bad ideas in your head, like clouds in the sky, and just be clear. This one is really dark amethyst, to keep balance and peace whatever dark things you see in yourself. Serpentine, it's for being like the snake, avoid every problem. And rose quartz, because if you are hurt, you need some help from the mother. And Chalcedony for peace and express yourself. And the last one is about finding truth and your path, your way. We have malachite to find and express your heart, and the aquamarine to express with peace and have the blessings of the mother on your way. And aventurine to make good choice, and chrysoprase, I don't know if I say it good, chrysoprase, new beginnings. And amazonite, just when you have good thoughts, you have good way. Serpentine, always keeping you safe and just fluent. And so for the first, I didn't say something for the stone, so I try to, you see actually my cat, a part of my cat. Hey Bastet, say hello, because I am doing something. She wants to be part of it. So, under my cats, the turquoise is really for when you have to speak with others, to be in confidence and to burn all the negativities in you and others. Rhodochrosite to see truth and not avoiding it. Kunzite, it's when something hurting you. The light of the spirit come to help you. Rose quartz for healing any bad things that are in you. Cornaline, it's for being in harmony with your inner self. And orange moonstone is for feeling, having intuitions about your womanhood. So, this one for love was for self-love. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, if you want one of these, just let a message under the video. Just say the one or the ones that you want, and I'll send you it if you are not 12 to want it. I hope that you've enjoyed the video. It's a long one, my first long video. And see you later, my friends. Bye.